Khloé Kardashian's son Tatum is getting into the Halloween spirit. On Saturday, October 5th, the Good American co-founder, 40, shared some adorable snaps on her Instagram page of her 2-year-old son wearing festive, pumpkin-themed pajamas. In the photos, Tatum can be seen standing in front of a large white couch while sporting gray pajamas with black cats, bats, spiderwebs and pumpkins printed on them. The reality star has posted quite a few festive Halloween updates about her kids and decorations since the start of October. On Thursday, she shared a series of Snapchat posts featuring her many lawn decorations, telling her followers that she couldn't wait to show you what we did. "We have a special guest at the front of the house," she wrote over the photos, before revealing that the guest is the Nightmare Before Christmas character Jack Skellington. "This year for my Halloween decor, I wanted to do something that the kids would love," she added, referring to Tatum and her 6-year-old daughter, True, both of whom she shares with her ex Tristan Thompson. "We have 2 giant Jack Skellingtons out front. And super creepy pumpkins?" Also on Kardashian's front lawn were several ghosts and twine witches' brooms, along with piles of orange, green, white and brown pumpkins, all covered in sprawling vines. "It's a little creepier than I'm used to, but you know what? We're getting into the mood this year," she joked, referring to her decorations from past years, which usually lean toward the cute side rather than creepy. Kardashian often shares her Halloween preparations on social media. Last year, she posted photos and videos of her Halloween party which also featured shots of her kids, nieces and nephews' costumes. In one Instagram Stories video, her nieces Dream Kardashian and Stormi Webster could be seen posing in black cat costumes with painted whiskers on their faces. Another clip showed True also dressed as a black cat at the party as she stood by an arts and crafts table set up in the backyard. Tatum, meanwhile, sported a cute cow print onesie costume for the festivities.